WNIC, Jay Towers, Allison Chelsea, and Time for Hollywood Minute now brought to you this time around by Rochester Hills Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. Here's John.
Bob Odenkirk let it slip that Bryan Cranston and Aaron Paul's return as Walt and Jesse for Better Call Saul is going to be more than just a quick cameo. He said it's not just one time, and it was great. He's spilling a lot.
So, I didn't watch Breaking Bad, so I'm assuming at the end of Breaking Bad, nothing bad happened if he's making cameos in this thing, right?
No, something bad happened.
Oh, then I don't know. Okay.
Remember how I told you I thought I'd never watch Breaking Bad?
Yeah.
So I went and watched the 26-minute ender.
Yeah.
And it was like watching the end of Sixth Sense.
Oh.
It was really a bad idea.
All right.
A reality competition series just came out on Netflix today. It's called Snowflake Mountain. 10 Gen Zers who are spoiled are, in this competition. It forces them to grow up, learn survival skills, and put them in the mountains to compete for $50,000.
So basically Survivor.
Right.
I mean, Survivor
in the mountains.
Survivor didn't have that spin on it, like you're kind of rich and...
Right.
But same.
Hailey Bieber's new skincare line, Rhode, is being sued by a clothing company. And they're asking the judge to force her to change the name of her business. Hailey's middle name is Rhode. Sources say that she owns the trademark for the name in connection to skincare, which that is a big deal. There's a difference. They have a clothing company. She has the skincare line.
Okay.
So we'll kind of see what happens.
What a
with
strange
that.
middle name.
Yeah.
I mean, cool.
I wonder if that was someone's maiden name.
Oh, right.
Made it her middle name. And finally, Niall Horan was in the crowd as Harry Styles took the Wembley Stadium stage in London on Sunday night. Fans were freaking out. There are so many videos of him dancing to the song What Makes You Beautiful by One Direction. He also saw Harry's sister. They hugged, and you gotta wonder, why wasn't he run on stage if he was there?
He was acknowledged?
I don't think so.
Not a, hey, look down there, y'all.
No.
No.
And he had to pay for his own ticket.
That's right. You went to StubHub even.
TV tonight, we have Game 4 of the Stanley Cup Finals, and so you think you could dance.
Chelsea, thank you so much. Good morning from 100.3 WNIC. Hot day in Detroit, up to 93 degrees. We've got lots coming up today, including That's Incredible, and a voice actor who made it onto America's Got Talent, who just blew everybody away.